Come on in, Facebook. I'm trying to fix my hair. But so I just logged in, give you an opportunity because I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to not show this person's information. But she's she attends my mother's church, right? Yeah, my parents are pastors. So I don't even think she knows yet because she's at Bible study, right? So I want to check her credit report and to see the results, right? It's been like 30 days. And she started with some charge-offs. I won't say how much, late pays, student loans. So I logged in. And I cannot tag her in this post because she messaged me. But somebody's asking me for a tag. She messaged me, but I was maxed out of my friends, so I couldn't tag her. I wanted to tag her so bad so that I could surprise her because I know she haven't logged on. So let me log in. I don't have... hold on. Let me try to do this. Hit the shift button and log in at the same time. And because I don't have a stand, I don't have a stand for my phone. And I'm going to show you live. She has, I know she hasn't not logged in because she would have called me by now, screaming and excited about her results. But I'm going to show you her results live without, I'm doing fine, Mr. Bailey. Mr. Bailey, if you be in Mississippi, October the 27th, 10 o'clock a.m., come to Jackson, downtown Marriott, and join the Credit and Cashflow Conference. I'm going to show you why. So you can get results like this. So let me, and again, I'm trying to do this. This is this person's, just a brief of their profile, right? This is where we started without giving the name. Well, I'm sorry, I think I did show the name. But let me make sure that, sorry for but let me make sure that I'm not showing her personal information and I just show you the deleted areas. Okay, so forgive me, I'm trying to multitask, so you're going to want to see this. I promise you. Okay. Okay, this is not showing any names. Yeah. Any names. Oh, how do I get this flashed off? All right. So these were some of the accounts. Now let me move my cell phone real quick. View disputed results. Look at all these. All right. I won't click on addresses for confidential. So let me flip my camera. And when I pull these up, I want to make sure that, yeah, look at this. This is just the deleted. Send your family of Mississippi, Mr. Bailey. This is just 1, 2, 3, 4 things. She doesn't even know it. I can't wait till she return my phone call. She started with me in August. This is October, right? Let me show you this. Department student loan. Look at that. Deleted. Verizon Wire, there was a collection account. Deleted. U.S. Department of Ed. Deleted. This was actually my first time disputing student loan. Midland Funding. Deleted. West Bank Fingerhut. Deleted. Well, it was updated. I'm sorry. This is processed. Midnight Velvet. Deleted. Right? Make sure I'm not showing. J.C. Penney, that was a collection. Deleted. Consumer Portfolio Recovery. Deleted. These are inquiries, right? Inquiries that she didn't approve. Look at all these inquiries or inquiries, whichever way you want to call it. Credit acceptance deleted. Yeah, give me some digital love. I'm telling you, August. I'm showing her address. So let me go back up. Think that was deleted too. All right. So, man, I can't wait till she call me. I cannot wait. I'm not finished. I am not finished. Just hold on. These are some more addresses deleted. Some more inquiries. I got some more collections. Consumer portfolio. There was another deleted. Midland Funding deleted. Another Department of Ed deleted. Right? Let me tell you, God has really blessed me with the gift. I wish I can show you other things deleted, but I think it's going to have Queen of Credit and Cashflow. I cannot wait till this woman she hadn't received it in the mail yet. And I'm also checking some more of my clients, right? I check their online more than they, probably before they do. So I'm so excited. Make sure you hit like and hit share. Share this video, right? Hey, DeAnthony. Look, DeAnthony, I miss you too. And let me tell you, I'm teaching now credit and cash flow, DeAnthony. I hope you're doing so well. I know I was firm on you, but I was firm with love. And that's the way I still am with my students and with anybody that I'm helping. I'm teaching now at another sector. And when I see things like this, just like teaching my students or coaching, I get so fulfilled. DeAnthony, thank you for commenting. Thank you for watching. And baby, I hope you're doing good. I hope your life is going well. And so, hey, I'm logging off because I have a folder of credit repair. But let me tell you, when I see this, you just don't know. You just don't know how well it does for me to help somebody, right? You living your best life. Well, honey, I'm helping people live their best life too. And I'm living my best life. Thank you so much for the hearts, Facebook. Make sure you hit like and hit share. These are live results. Back to work for me, or back to ministry for me. Come out October the 27th, 10 o'clock a.m., Jackson Marriott, downtown Jackson, 200 Amit Street. Register at www.mycreditandcashflowispower.com at Eventbrite, right? Register, you must RSVP. Mycreditandcashflowispower.com. It's going to be a credit and cash flow conference. Mr. Young is coming in with me. I need to try to tag him. All the way from Arkansas, teaching cash flow strategies. I'm sorry. I promise you this will change your financial future and forever change your life. I'm signing off. Hit like and hit share. Miss Coach DeLoach.